friend. If you like Monkey Farm, tap like, subscribe, and share so we can play together every day. A bit chilly today, but what a beautiful sky! Why is it getting dark so fast? Wow! Snow! Look! It's snow! It's a mini snowstorm on the farm! Oh boy! If it gets too deep, the barn doors will be blocked. Moo! The door is heavy. I can't open it.
Cluck, cluck. I can't get out to peck the snow.
Mommy, it looks like a white wall. Tension! Surprise snowstorm! Everyone stay inside your barns. Don't try to open the doors. I'm coming to the rescue. Too much snow. Digging this by hand will take until summer. Oh, come on! Back to square one? That's it! We need the tractor to save the barns in time. Must dress warm for snow. Never run outside without your gear. System check. Lights bright, tires tight, ready to plow. Snow rescue tractor, let's roll, roll! Plowing the snow, clearing the way, saving friends today.
Help! I want to come out and see the snow.
Hang on. Wait for a safe path first.
Push it to the side. Opening the exit bit by bit. Moo, look at me. I'm a snow cow.
Ha ha! You're free! Remember to stay on the clear path.
I'm in here, but it's warm inside. Don't worry.
All right, I'm clearing a path for you now.
Slow and steady. Careful not to dump snow on the door. I have a super thick anti-cold coat.
Snow coats are just for looks. Let's brush it off, or you'll freeze.
Small door needs a small shovel. Safer for the little chicks.
Cluck, cluck. You're a true snow engineer, Monkey. Deep snow jams doors. Clearing paths helps us move safely in case of emergency or for food delivery. When we know it's getting cold, we prep coats, shovels, and check the tractor. That way, we stay calm, not panicked. Snow is so fun!
Remember, snow is pretty but can block doors. Clear paths, dress warm, and tell an adult about weird weather. That keeps us safe.
Good prep plus staying calm equals beating the storm. Fresh milk, cool ice cream, bringing joy to every team. Huh? Why does the storage door look like a giant freezer box? Look! Yikes! Is this a cold storage or a North Pole ice cave? Oh my! The whole warehouse is one giant ice cube! Ouchie! It's not just cold, it's super slippery too! The milk and ice cream are frozen solid. If we don't save them, they'll be ruined. Hey! The storage only needs to be minus 5 degrees Celsius. Who turned it down to minus 20? Mayday! Mayday! The ice cream is over frozen. Come help!
Moo, saving ice cream is saving happiness. Oh my, the ice cream turned into rocks, bigger than me.
If it melts badly, it's a waste. What do we do, Monkey?
Heave. No use, the ice is holding it tight. Oh dear, I'm stuck at the bottom.
That's it! Use the power of... the forklift! All right, save the cream dough, save the milk let's roll!
Forklift power is awesome!
Easy now. This is a giant ice cream berg.
Goodness, never seen ice cream needing a forklift.
The milky ice train is leaving the station. Waiting for it to melt naturally takes too long. We need to warm it up, but keep the food safe. Aha! Warm air from the solar heater. Safe and energy saving. In cold, water freezes to ice. With heat, ice melts to water. The warehouse was too cold, so we'll use tubes to blow warm air around the ice. It melts the ice, but keeps the cream inside cool.
Super plan! These look like giant spaghetti noodles. Safe thawing. Start!
When cold, molecules huddle tight, making hard ice. When warm, they dance around, turning into water. That's melting.
See, warm enough to melt ice, but cool enough to keep milk fresh.
Green means safe, I got it.
No need to be too cold. Just right is best. Saves electricity and saves food.
Check complete. Sensor fixed.
Milk is fresh. Ice cream is perfect.
We saved so much food from being wasted. Keeping the right temperature saves energy and protects our food.
Close the door, set the right number, don't leave it open. That's how we save cold, save power, and save food. Ice cream tastes better today because we didn't waste a single drop. Remember, kids,
Heat ice.
save cold, save power, save food helps the earth. Hee hee.
Straw so soft, straw so deep, keeping eggs safe while they sleep.
Cluck, cluck, da.
Since when does straw puff up like a balloon?
What kind of egg is this big?
Cluck! Squawk! That is definitely N-O-T mine.
Then who left it here? Oink! That egg would keep me full for a week. Ah, watch out! Maybe it's a dinosaur egg.
Quack! A dino egg in a chicken coop.
I think it's a flying cow egg.
Since when do cows lay eggs?
No matter whose egg it is, it's on our farm now. We will hatch it and care for it together, okay?
Agreed.
Gently, the egg is sleeping. Cluck. Oh my! It's too big! I can't cover it! Everyone takes a turn. It stays warm, it's fun, and no one gets a sore bottom.
Oink! Sitting is my talent.
Oh, I'm getting
Sleepy. Don't fall asleep. Remember, hug the egg, don't squash the egg. Be warm. Be mysterious egg. Feel the energy. Once upon a time, there was a very brave little bird who dreamed of flying high. Does the egg speak in pig tummy language?
Oink.
Oh no, a cold front. We have to keep the egg warm. Don't worry, we are here with you. Cluck, cluck. This time, it's for real. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and hatch.
Oink, oink, quack, quack, cluck, cluck.
Hello? Mystery baby? Peep.
Peep, not a dinosaur.
Not a flying cow either.
It's a baby peacock. Do I just look like you guys? His tail is so weird. I'm not a chicken. They won't like me.
Different doesn't mean bad. Maybe being different makes you the most special one on the farm.
Cock-a-doodle.
Peep?
Needs more practice.
Try spreading your tail just a bit. A little more. Quack! So beautiful! Oink! It's like fireworks on his bum.
Cluck, the star of the coop. From now on, this is home for chickens and baby peacock too.
Really? I have a home.
The giant egg brought a big surprise. We are all a little different, but with patience and love,